Have you ever wondered what it takes to connect a global business? What does it mean for a company to truly have a worldwide reach? We live in an interconnected world, where a business in New York might have employees in London and customers in Tokyo. But how do you create a seamless communication system for all of them? That's where a service like RingCentral comes in. They're a giant in the world of cloud communications, a name synonymous with modern business phone systems. But a common question we get is, what countries does RingCentral actually work in? The answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. It's a fascinating look at how a company builds a truly global infrastructure. To understand RingCentral's global footprint, you have to break it down into a few key areas. It's not just about where they have a physical office. It's about where they can provide local phone service, where they have physical data centers, and where they can provide specific product features. Think of it like a layered map with different levels of service and availability. First, let's talk about the countries where RingCentral offers full public switch telephone network, or PSTN, replacement. This is the gold standard. It means they can provide you with a local phone number in that country, and you get all the features you'd expect from a traditional phone service, but all delivered over the internet through their platform. This includes things like emergency calling, which is a critical and highly regulated service. RingCentral provides full PSTN coverage in a massive number of countries across North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, and Latin America. In North America, the list is straightforward: the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. You get unlimited calls within and between these locations on many of their plans, which is a huge benefit for businesses operating across borders in this region. Moving over to Europe, the list is extensive. You're looking at countries like the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Belgium, Switzerland, the Netherlands, and so many more. The European Union's single market makes it a logical region for this kind of unified service, and RingCentral has a very strong presence there. This means a company with offices in London, Paris, and Berlin can have a single communication platform for all their employees, with local numbers in each city. In Asia-Pacific, they've also made significant inroads. You can get full PSTN replacement in major economies like Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. They've also been expanding rapidly in places like India, a massive and important market for global business. This is a game changer for companies with distributed teams across different continents. And let's not forget Latin America. RingCentral's full service is available in countries like Mexico, Chile, and Colombia, with other countries like Brazil and Argentina having slightly different service models, but still offering significant capabilities. This is an ever-expanding list, so it's always a good idea to check their official website for the most up-to-date information. Now, that's just the top tier of their service. But what if your business needs a local number in a country where they don't offer full PSTN replacement? This is where another key feature comes in: international virtual numbers. RingCentral offers these in over 99 countries and territories. An international virtual number, or IVN, is a phone number that looks and acts like a local number in a specific country, but it forwards calls to your RingCentral account, which could be located anywhere in the world. So, for example, you could be a company based in the US, but you want to make it easy for your customers in Japan to call you without incurring international charges. You can get a Japanese virtual number through RingCentral. When a customer in Tokyo calls that number, it rings on your phone in New York, just like any other business call. This is incredibly powerful for establishing a local presence and building trust with international clients. The beauty of this is that it allows RingCentral to have a virtual presence in a much wider range of locations, far beyond their core PSTN replacement countries. The list of countries where they offer IVNs is vast and includes places all over the globe, from Barbados to Taiwan, and from South Africa to Malaysia. The third layer of RingCentral's global infrastructure is their Bring Your Own Carrier, or BYOC model. This is a more advanced option for larger enterprises that want to use RingCentral's powerful platform for calling, messaging, and video, but they want to keep their existing carrier contracts and phone infrastructure in certain countries. RingCentral supports this model in over 69 countries. It's a flexible solution that allows multinational corporations to standardize their communication tools across the organization while still adhering to specific local requirements or leveraging existing relationships. Finally, it's worth mentioning the other aspects of their global reach. RingCentral's platform and user interface are available in multiple languages, making it more accessible to a diverse workforce. They also have a global network of data centers and peering connections with international carriers, which ensures high-quality voice and video calls, no matter where your employees and customers are located. In essence, RingCentral's global reach isn't a simple list of countries. It's a spectrum of services, ranging from full-featured, local PSTN replacement in key markets to flexible virtual numbers and BYOC options in dozens of other locations. This multi-layered approach is what allows them to cater to businesses of all sizes, from a small company with a handful of international clients to a massive multinational corporation with a presence in every corner of the world. Their goal is to tear down the geographical barriers of communication, and they've built a pretty impressive system to do just that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.